What's up? What's up? It's the HODL. We back in here, man. I'm just a day back from coming from Mexico. I got a lot of sunshine. Got my braces tightened up, teeth clean. Didn't really get to hang out with some of the people I wanted to hang out with, but it's all right because I'll probably have to go back pretty soon. So, anyways, man, if y'all checking this out, I just wanted to talk about what's happening in the currently in the cryptocurrency market as we're at the spearhead of the bull run up, and chart wise Bitcoin is looking phenomenal. It back tested the bottom of this large channel, this uptrend channel, since it really started trading, and it's a mega big macro channel. So we back tested it, barely back tested it, and now we're cutting up, breaking out of a bull flag. And you know, if you know any basic technical analysis, the flagpole distance of that bull flag is what we should probably make a hard stop at before consolidating and trying to move up, continue moving up. I got it going a little bit above $100,000 right now as we broken out of this bull flag. Now, will it happen? You know, and we don't know how long it will be. It shouldn't be, from what I see, I'm not trying to rhyme, no more than 1 or 2 weeks, but that's just my guesstimate. So yeah, I mean, if you didn't get a chance to pick up any Bitcoin sub 70,000, you still have a chance to pick it up sub 100,000. And if you're doing that, ensure you're doing it responsibly, and you know, hedge against any type of tracking, strong tyrannic tax codes or anything, you know, or move freely across border at that by trying to pick up some non-KYC. So if you looking to get some non-KYC Bitcoin, look at hodl.com, link down in the description below. It's an easy sign up, just email and password, and you're able to start trading with other people who are selling Bitcoin. As you may know, though, we're in a bull run, and given the environment that we're in globally with these crazy ass governments, non-KYC Bitcoin is at a premium. So I haven't found any good deals, honestly, in quite a couple months, few months. It really, since the ETFs dropped, you know, you're not finding anyone probably at this point that's going to sell Bitcoin less than $80,000 at this point. So, but is that premium worth it to you to have some that's for your eyes and for your knowledge only, between you and the person you want to transact with? That's something you want to think about. If you want a good wallet, I got a wallet link down below. I got two of them. You can check out CoinKite.com. That's very popular amongst the Bitcoiners. It's a Bitcoin only wallet. What is that? Open source, you know, the good stuff. And also the Trezor wallet, specifically for a Trezor T. If you want to look at that one, I have a link down there below as well. That's also been a reputable wallet for folks who want that open sourced security. I know that sounds contradictory, but that open source security is what you need. You want the code to be available, to know what's in it, to know that your assets are being protected. Check those links out. So the Ethereum spot ETF is getting a lot of buzz, prospects of it. I think it started with a tweet from a guy who was with the SEC or with somebody, I don't know, and he tweeted saying that he might have heard something about something, potentially that the SEC may do a 180 and approve these things this week. So that remains to be seen. We'll check it out. I think the market may be hedging it a little too hard, but that just shows you how much money is on the sideline, how much capital is ready to jump into assets, not just in cryptocurrencies, but into everything, man. Just look at markets across the board, stocks, commodities, everything has just been on a tear the past 10 years, but especially even the past few months. And that's because of the inflationary environment that we're in, despite, and get this, despite interest rates being held up high. I mean, wait till they start cutting these interest rates, y'all. It's going to be insane. I mean, honestly, you don't know when they're going to start cutting interest rates. I mean, the economy is slowing down, obviously, but prices are going up. They're going to lose the battle to inflation. They're losing the battle to inflation now. If they go up any more interest rates, things start crashing down, jobs get lost, and debt doesn't get paid back, and therefore people can't afford to do anything. They can't afford to do anything now because it's, you know, so you want to get a seat somewhere, whatever you want to do. I'm a Bitcoin guy. This is a Bitcoinish channel for the most. And you pick your spot, you pick the horse that you think is fastest, and then you just kind of wait, because either, I mean, these things are going up with rates being held up, and they're gonna go up, and they're gonna go up fantastically. Or is that the word I want to use? Yeah, spectacularly. They're gonna go up spectacularly when rates even get dropped a pinch. So, and so many people are not going to be prepared for any of this because they're not understanding what Bitcoin is. They don't understand what anything is. They don't understand the environment and how their money works. So, get a seat. Now, as far as the spot ETF thing, I don't think it's going to pass. That's just me personally. I think we've seen market manipulation on many fronts. I think we've seen that markets will continue to just be driven by news, by big players, by people who have a lot of capital, who are backing these. They're pretty much backing these publishing companies. I got a feeling a lot of cryptocurrency publishing companies, a lot of hedge funds, a lot of politicians are huge holders of Ethereum and any other cryptocurrency that may be affected by Ethereum's regulation. We're going to see what happens, though, with Biden's law, or when Biden, if he does pass some type of crypto law, or if he makes a decision on that before his election. This year's going to be a hot year. If Ethereum doesn't make it, Bitcoin goes up. It goes maybe down a little bit in the immediate due to the news, but it will go up spectacularly as alts collapse into Bitcoin. If it does pass as a spot ETF, you know, in my opinion, I think that it just opens the door for XRP and for all these other crypto digital assets to, you know, be able to have their shining time to being a ETF, spot ETF as well. So I think Gary Gensler is pretty serious, if I'm not mistaken, just by judging his actions, judging his tone and the way he speaks about this market. I think he sounds serious. I think he's serious about it, and I think he'll let whoever say whatever, and then he'll come out and just say, hey, the SEC, we didn't make any decision on nothing. That's on y'all if y'all got excited and jumped the gun and became exit liquidity. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. Either way, I think Bitcoin is just a superior asset. So let's just check it out. And man, make sure you get your seat at the table. Make sure you acquire what you can acquire first of Bitcoin. If you haven't by now, man, I don't know what you're doing, honestly. At this point, you are going to be a part of the speculation herd. And if the herd gets slaughtered, you go with it. But I guess during these times, these tough economic times, and these times of high interest rates, and a widening gap between the 1% and everybody else, taking a chance, taking a Hail Mary pass down the field isn't a bad idea for anyone, I guess. So anyways, that's all I got for today, y'all. I'll get at you another day. Peace.